Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox this sponsored product. This is a filtered shower head. It has 2.5 gallon per minute water flow. You can see here. Let's see, open and see what we got inside. I will also install it and show you guys how it looks like, but I just wanted to do unboxing first right now. Once you take out from the package, you will see it is wrapped in this, and once you reveal the beauty, you can see it looks absolutely gorgeous. Really nice color. I really like the golden tone. You can see it just looks really cool. And over here, this is where you just install it. It just has regular threads, and it just comes with this key. You can just I guess use it here and just secure it on your hose, just like that. So you can just open this and you will just place the filter inside. Of course, you have to just open the sticker. You can see once you open it, you will just reveal the where it goes. So let's see if we have. Okay, so before you use it, you would just take these stickers off, run the water about a minute, and then you're good to go. So you would just put it just like that and then close it. So it's supposed to click. There should be, yes, just like that. So this is how you use it, and you can see you have a lot of sprays here, and they are kind of, let me see if you guys can see, it feels like plastic. So you can just, let's say you want to clean it up, you will just run through your hand just like that, and just it will just clean. So that looks really cool. I will just install and run it through and show you guys how it works. But once you install, you can also use this. It can just move around. It will just give you option to tilt. So that's what you get. Thank you for watching.